Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects every single one of us: money. Specifically, we're going to break down the 10 essential money rules that can completely transform your financial future. These aren't just abstract theories. They're practical, actionable steps that, when applied consistently, can pave your way to financial success. Whether you're just starting out, trying to get out of debt, or looking to build serious wealth, these rules are the foundation. So, grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's get started on building a better financial you. Rule number 1 is an absolute game changer. Pay yourself first. Now, what does this actually mean? It's simple. Before you pay your rent, before you buy groceries, before you even think about that new gadget you've been eyeing, you set aside a portion of your income for your future self. This isn't about what's left over at the end of the month. It's the very first bill you pay. Think of it as investing in your most important asset, you. By automating this process, setting up an automatic transfer to your savings or investment account the day you get paid, you remove the temptation to spend it. It could be 10%, 15%, or even just 5% to start. The amount is less important than the habit. This single discipline ensures you're always building your wealth, regardless of what other expenses pop up. It shifts your mindset from being a consumer to being an investor in your own life. Next up, rule number 2. Create a budget you'll actually stick to. I know, the word budget can sound restrictive, even a little boring. But hear me out. A budget isn't about telling you what you can't have. It's a plan that gives you permission to spend on what you truly value. It's about taking control and telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. You can use an app, a spreadsheet, or even just a simple notebook. Track your income and all your expenses for a month to see where your money is really going. You might be shocked. Once you have that data, you can create categories and allocate your funds. Be realistic. If you love your morning coffee, budget for it. A budget that's too strict is a budget you'll abandon. The goal is conscious spending, not painful deprivation. It's your roadmap to financial freedom. Rule number 3 is crucial for your peace of mind. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Your car breaks down, your pet gets sick, or you face an unexpected job loss. These things happen. An emergency fund is your financial safety net that keeps a minor inconvenience from turning into a major crisis. It prevents you from having to go into debt or cash out your long-term investments when emergencies strike. The standard advice is to save 3 to 6 months' worth of essential living expenses. This includes things like rent or mortgage, utilities, food, and transportation. Keep this money in a separate, high-yield savings account. It needs to be easily accessible, but not so easy that you tempted to dip into it for non-emergencies. Start small if you have to, but start. Even a few $100s can make a massive difference when you need it most. All right, let's talk about rule number 4. Avoid high-interest debt like the plague. Not all debt is created equal. A mortgage to buy a home can be a good investment, but high-interest debt, like credit card balances or payday loans, is a wealth-destroying monster. The interest rates are so high that they can trap you in a cycle that's incredibly difficult to escape. If you're carrying this kind of debt, making its elimination your top financial priority is essential. Look into strategies like the debt snowball, where you pay off the smallest balances first for psychological wins, or the debt avalanche, where you tackle the highest interest rates first to save the most money. Consider balance transfers to lower interest cards or personal loans. Do whatever it takes to get that weight off your shoulders. Your future self will thank you for it. Moving on to rule number 5. Understand the power of compound interest. Albert Einstein supposedly called it the 8th wonder of the world, and for good reason. Compound interest is the interest you earn on your initial investment plus the accumulated interest from previous periods. It's interest earning interest. It's what creates the snowball effect that can turn small, consistent investments into a massive fortune over time. The key ingredient here is time. The earlier you start investing, the more powerful compounding becomes. A 25-year-old investing a few $100s a month can easily end up with more money than a 45-year-old investing a much larger sum, simply because their money has more time to grow. This is why paying yourself first and investing early is so critical. Don't just save your money. Put it to work for you. This leads us perfectly into rule number 6. Invest for the long term. The stock market can be volatile in the short term. Prices go up, prices go down. Trying to time the market To buy at the absolute bottom and sell at the absolute top is a fool's game. Even the pros can't do it consistently. The real path to building wealth through investing is to adopt a long-term perspective. Invest in a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds or ETFs that track the broader market. Then, stay the course. Don't panic and sell when the market dips. In fact, those dips are often the best buying opportunities. By consistently investing over decades, you ride out the volatility and benefit from the market's historical upward trend. It's time in the market, not timing the market, that builds wealth. Now for rule number 7, a very important one. Increase your income. Don't just decrease your expenses. While budgeting and cutting costs are essential, there's a limit to how much you can cut. You can only become so frugal, but there is no limit to how much you can earn. Actively look for ways to increase your income. This could mean asking for a raise at your current job, developing new skills to qualify for a higher paying position, starting a side hustle based on your passions or skills, or building a small business. Even a small increase in your income, when directed towards your savings and investments, can dramatically accelerate your journey to financial success. Think of your financial plan as having two engines, a defense, which is saving, and an offense, which is earning. You need both to win the game. Rule number 8 is about protecting what you build. Get the right insurance. We already talked about an emergency fund for smaller life events. But what about the catastrophic ones? Insurance is how you manage risks that are too big to self-insure against. This means having adequate health insurance to protect against crippling medical bills, disability insurance to replace your income if you're unable to work, and term life insurance if you have dependents who rely on your income. It might also include auto and home or renter's insurance. It's not the most exciting topic, but being properly insured means that one unlucky event won't wipe out everything you've worked so hard to build. It's a non-negotiable part of a solid financial plan. Let's talk about rule number 9. Continuously educate yourself about money. The financial world is always changing. New investment products emerge, tax laws change, and economic conditions shift. The single best investment you can make is in your own financial knowledge. Read books, listen to podcasts, follow reputable financial creators and bloggers, and maybe even take a course. You don't need to become a Wall Street expert, but you should understand the basics of investing, retirement accounts like a 401k or an IRA, and tax-efficient strategies. The more you know, the more confident you'll be in your decisions, and the less likely you'll be to fall for scams or make costly mistakes. Financial literacy is the foundation upon which all these other rules are built. Finally, we arrive at rule number 10. Define your why and review your goals regularly. Why are you doing all of this? Why are you budgeting, saving, and investing? Is it to retire early? To travel the world? To provide a better life for your family? To have the freedom to leave a job you hate? Your why is your motivation. It's what will keep you going when you feel like giving up. Write down your short-term and long-term financial goals and make them specific and measurable. Look at them often. Life changes, and your goals might change too. Regularly reviewing your progress and adjusting your plan keeps you engaged and on track. It turns the abstract process of money management into a personal and meaningful journey toward the life you want to live. So there you have it, the 10 foundational rules for financial success. Pay yourself first, create a budget, build an emergency fund, avoid bad debt, understand compound interest, invest for the long term, increase your income, get insured, keep learning, and know your why. It might seem like a lot, but you don't have to implement them all at once. Start with 1 or 2 that resonate with you the most and build from there. The key is consistency. Small, consistent actions over time lead to extraordinary results. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on personal finance and building a better life. Let me know in the comments which rule you're going to start working on first. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.